lecture's point, I am taking your class lecture number 2 of chromosomal abbreviations. Yes, my dear friends, we are talking about chromosomal abbreviation. It is lecture number 2nd of this, and we are discussing chapter number 36. Yes, my dear friend, chapter number 36 of RBSc board. So, my dear friends, we are discussing on this time on the human chromosomal abnormalities. In the human chromosomal abnormalities, there are two types of abnormalities found. First, autosomal abnormalities. Again, sex-linked abnormalities. Yes, my dear friends. So, we are discussing about first autosomal abnormality. In the autosomal abnormality, there is in the previous chapter of genetics, we have studied autosomes and sex chromosomes. In that type of order, we discussed that 44 autosomes plus 2 sex chromosomes. Yes, my dear friends. In these 44 are autosomes. So, in this type of abnormalities found in this autosomal abnormality. In the type means autosomal abnormality is only and only found in autosomes. Okay, my dear friends. So, we are discussing that autosomal abnormality. In this, the first is Mongolism. Yes, my dear friend, Mongolism. In the Mongolism, it is also called as Down syndrome because it is discovered by John Langdon Down. Yes, my dear friends. In 1886. Yes, my dear friends. In 1886, John Langdon Down founded Mongolism or Down syndrome. In this type of autosomal syndrome, it is a trisomy of 21st pair. Yes, my dear friends. In this, the 22 pairs are autosomal. One pair is sex pair. So, in this, the trisomy of 21st pair means the presence of 3, these are chromosomes, means 3 chromosomes are found in a pair. That's abnormality, because in one pair only 2 chromosomes are found, but here the trisomy means 3 chromosomes are present in 21st pair. So it is called as Down syndrome, and this syndrome have some symptoms like as is this. In this, this is found in Mongol children. Yes, my dear friend. Mongol children, this is found. So, in the Mongol children, that's found from birth. From birth. Yes, my dear friend. From birth. From birth, and the generally this syndrome is founded means when the ladies of 40 years give a birth to a child, these abnormalities have chance to founded these abnormalities. Okay, my dear friends, and symptoms are flat hand hands, flat hands हो गए, and short neck, blunt fingers or legs. There are some symptoms of this chromosomes, and this also this lower lip blurry and Edward syndrome. This is mainly found in 18th pair. In 18th pair of chromosomes, autosomes, this abnormality was founded. About this syndrome, the not well description in the RBC book, so we will not discuss also here elaborating. And third one is in this abnormality, different structural abnormality. Suppose in this 45 chromosomes are found. Because in this the one chromosome deletion. Yes, madam. One chromosome is deleted as compared to 46 chromosomes are present in this. And we will ask, no, sorry, not ask, that's we will now learn sex length abnormalities. In the first, Turner's syndrome. In the Turner syndrome, there are presence of sex chromosomes is as that. In this order, means in this order. The small portion of male sex chromosome is present in the woman. It is only and only found in women, and the ratio, sorry, there is a error. The error is just a minute, my dear friend. the this absence in this one sex chromosome is absent, means as compared to like as this, the normal ratio of chromosomes present is chromosomes normally found, but in this only 45 chromosomes are found. Yes, my dear. Here only 45 chromosomes are found, one chromosome have deletion, and this is only and only found in females. Second one is Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, my dear friends, that's sorry, that spelling is Klinefelter. Okay, and this type of syndrome, it is founded in males. Yes, my dear friends, it is founded in males, and by this syndrome, yes, my dear, what I am saying, by this syndrome, the one extra chromosomes are found, like as males founded only this is female section, but this is males. But when we will discuss about Klinefelter syndrome, this type of ratio was founded 47 chromosomes, 48, 49. These types of chromosomes are found in Klinefelter syndrome. This is mainly found in males, and symptoms. Yes, my dear friends. Symptoms. Stupid male. Some tall, and legs and hands are lengthy, and here also sterile, they are sterile. These symptoms are fulfill to requirements, and now addition. Third one. The third one is additional chromosomes in females. Yes, my dear friends. Like as they are, this is normal ratio, but one extra, two extra. This type of syndrome is called as additional chromosomes in females. And fourth one is additional chromosomes in males, likely 44 plus XYYY. Not a, these types of syndrome. The one additional chromosomes in males found, one or more than one additional chromosomes are found in males is called as additional chromosomes. These are some abnormalities related to human chromosomal abbreviation. Yes, my dear friend, I am asking that we are announced our winners like as the contest winner. The contest name is hashtag lectures point contest. Yes, my dear friend, first winner of this contest is Ayush Majumdar from class 12th Bio, and second prize winner is Priyanshu Joshi from class 11th Bio. But the third winner is not winner, they are winners. There are two winners of third prize, Tanmay Kala and Ashok Chaudhary. This is official announcement of lectures point, and we will also celebrated this contest on the first anniversary of lectures point on YouTube and officially offline and online both. Yes, my dear friend, on 1st May, we announce lectures parties will provide its good teaching experience with you. So this is our lecture has been done. In the next video we will discuss about linkage. So thanks for watching this video and stay home, stay safe.